Assalamualaikum to Puan Zarina. I'm Muhammad Aiman bin Mazlan, 264615. Today, our group will discuss about elasticity. What is elasticity? Elasticity is present tense change in one variable resulting in 1% increase in another. Now, we go to income elasticity of demand. What is income elasticity of demand? Income elasticity of demand measures the quantity demanded for a product in response to change in consumer incomes. Percentage change in the quantity demanded resulting from a 1% increase in income. The formula for calculation income elasticity of demand is change in quantity divided change in income times income divide quantity. The income elasticity of demand can be positive or negative depending on whether the goods is novel or inferior. For noble goods have a positive income elasticity of demand because the quantity demand and income move in the same direction. The quantity of normal goods demand will increase, income also increase. For example, the quantity of shoes demand tend to increase as income rises. Normal goods can be subdivided into necessity and luxury goods. For necessities, example like bread, rice, wheat, the demand for necessity does not increase that much as income rises. The income elasticity of demand for necessity is 0 until 1 for income elasticity value. For accessories, like example like Rolex, watches, Lamborghini, and so on. If income rises, the demand for accessories tends to rise and even faster. The income elasticity of demand for accessories is greater than 1. Inferior good. Inferior good have a negative income elasticity of demand because the quantity demanded and income move in opposite direction. The quantity inferior good demand falls as income rise. For example, the quantity of used car demanded tend increase as income rises. Now, I will show you how to calculate using income elasticity formula. Now we calculate good X. This is formula for elasticity income, percentage of quantity divide income times income divided by Q. Now the new quantity minus old quantity and new income minus old income times to old income divide old quantity. Can get 10 divide 1 times 10. So you get 1. So we conclude that good X is a normal good because value income elasticity of demand is 1. If income rises 1%, cost demand of good X is rises 1%. Now I will show you what is the relationship between good Y and income. Now, why we use same formula for income elasticity demand is change in quantity divided change in income times the income quantity. We use new quantity is 10 and old 20. New quantity is 2000 minus 1000 and no divide by all quantity. All quantity is 1000. All price, all income is 1000 and all quantity is 20 ringgit. Then we can get negative 10 equal to 1000 divided by 1000 times by 1000 divide 20, you can get negative 0.5. Now we can conclude that good Y is a inferior good because value elasticity of demand is negative. If income rises with 1%, cost demand of goods or Y falls 1%.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Nonis Fatiha binti Fakruzi. My material number is 255542.
Okay, I will continue with problem 2. The problem 2 is the second to discuss the issue of elasticity of cross demand. The cross elasticity of demand is an economic concept that measures the responsiveness in the quantity demand of one good when the price of another good changes. In economics, the elasticity of demand refers to how sensitive the demand for a goods into changes in other economic variables such as a price or consumer income. The importance of cross elasticity are used to determine the relationship between the two items as their substitutes, defining goods or non-dealing goods between goods according to the demand for cross-linking. The relationship between the two types of goods can be identified by looking at the value of elasticity of cross demand. For example, the car. When price of car is increased, demand for another good such as petrol will decrease. This is because when car price increase, consumer will buy less car. Petrol demand will also decrease, and petrol oil must be used together to get satisfaction. So I will continue with the question. The question given is given the following QD and S expansion. So QD equal to 10 minus 2P and QS equal to 2 plus 2P. Question is, first find the equilibrium price and quantity. So we know that to find the equilibrium is QD equal to QS. So QD equal to 10 minus 2P and QS equal to 2 plus 2P. So we define that P equal to 2 and we substitute 2 into the this equation. So we get Q equal to 6, and question B is based on your answer in A. Compute the price elasticity of demand and the elasticity of supply. So you know the formula to find elasticity is percentage of change in Q over percentage change in P multiplied by P over Q, and we substitute dQ over dp to we substitute percentage of change in q or percentage change in p, we substitute to dq, and dq over dp multiplied by p over q. So we get the answer is negative 0.67 or negative 2 over 3. So this is for demand. For supply is same equation such as demand, and we find that elasticity of supply is 2 over 3. For question C is the demand function elastic or inelastic, and how do you know? So answer is inelastic because 2 over 3 is less than 1. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farid bin Mustafa. My matric number is 2C1949. Today, I would like to continue our good discussion about the elasticity. Okay, let's go. Problem 3. The issue discussed about due the height component that's prevailing in the automobile industry. The average price of motor vehicles specifically has increased from 170,000 to 190,000, and the quantity demand for motor vehicle decreased from 1,000 unit to 800 unit. This issue, first we use a curve. Okay, based on this curve, we know that the quantity is decreased from 1,000 unit to 800 unit, and the price is increased from 170,000 to 190,000. It move from point A to point B. Based on this curve, we know that this is a elastic demand. Elastic demand refer to the demand when the proportionate change produced in demand is greater than the proportionate change in price of a product. Practically, relative elastic demand is known as more than unit elastic demand. Maybe he is more than 1. So for example, in this case, the price of motor vehicle has increased from 170,000 to 190,000, and the quantity demand for motor vehicle decreased from 1,000 unit to 800 unit. Then the demand will be relatively elastic. So we can conclude that if the price of product increased by 20% and the demand of the product decreased by 25%, so we know that this is the elastic demand. Next, we use formula to explain for this issue. Okay, when you use a formula, we know that the quantity change in quantity and change in price. So change in quantity divide quantity 1 plus quantity 2 divide by 2, and the change in price divide price 1 plus price 2 divide by 2. So we solve this formula, we can get the price is 200 and the quantity is 200 and price is 1,800. So you solve this and we get the 2 value. So based on the 2 value, we know that this is a more than 1. So when the value elasticity more than 1, we know that this is a elastic demand, because this is more than 1. Based on the formula, we know that the value is more than 1. Suppose the quantity for motor vehicle demanded is measured at two different quantity, right? With two different parts are chain. Measure the quantity demanded is 800, and the other measurement is 1000 unit. The percent change measured again the average will be 1000 unit minus 800 unit. Divide 100 unit plus 800 unit. Divide by 2. So we can get 22%. The quantity demanded. Suppose the change in the price of motor vehicle will lead the change in the quantity demand from 1000 to 800 was from 170,000 to 190,000. The percent change in price measure again the midpoint will be 190,000 minus 170,000 divide by 2, right? So you can get the 1000 price. Therefore, based on the explanation by using the curve and formula, we know that when the price of motor vehicle specifically increase from 170,000 to 190,000, this is because the height of components prevailing in the automobile industry.